clean. That's looking clean, man.
Hey guys, what's the crack? Welcome to another episode of Dub Monkey Garage. On today's episode, we're going to be doing a little work on the GT86. So, first things first, I've been having an issue with my clutch pedal being squeaky. So if you can just hear this. Well, that went well. Hold on, I'll just turn on the car a little. Turn on the ignition. And then you should be able to hear it now. So, I think maybe it needs a little WD. Fixes all the problems. That, cable ties, you know, it's the drifter way. Fix it all. Let's do it. Let's get up under here. And see what we can find. So I'm after spraying it with the WD-40. Let's check now if the noise has gone away. Okay, so you can still hear it a little bit. I think it's a little bit better. Let me know in the comment section below if you want a GT86 or an FRS or a BRZ or one of the million fucking names they call it. Let me know if you have a similar issue, and if so, how did you fix it? Did you replace the clutch spring, or did it just go away? Let me know, comment section below. But yeah, next we are going to be working on my car and installing some RGB strips for underneath the footwells. So that should look really sick. I've seen it done to some other cars, some other GT86s, and it looks unreal. So let's get going. So we're gonna remove these dash panels in here. So you should just clip off. Is now back on, looking tidy. Let's see how it looks on your knife here. It looks something like that when it's done. Obviously the other side isn't finished. Put some nice red footwell lighting to match the rest of the red interior.
Fucking clean. Fucking clean.
Let's move on to the next side. Boom. Okay, I'm now sitting in the passenger side. Let's plug it in and have a look at the passenger side. Okay. That looks really nice. So I might run one of them up and inside the glove box. I don't use my back seat, see? So it's not really an important thing for me to use it in my back. Oh, let me turn off these lights. That is cool. Very fucking cool. So guys, my thought process at the moment is I'm thinking whether or not I should put one in the glove box, because the glove box in the GT86s, BRZs, all them, I'm not going to keep repeating that every time, but all those cars basically have no light inside the glove box. So essentially when you want to get something out of your glove box and it's pitch black out, you can't see a thing. You have to use the light on your phone. So I don't think anyone addresses this online. I've never seen it anyways, but basically it is a fucking pain in the ass. So I think I might run the LED strip up inside the glove box, and then we have light inside the glove box. Another little idea I have is it'd be cool if I could light up the door pockets and put little LED lights inside of there. So say when you don't have a cup in it or something, there's like a little glow out of it. Nothing too extreme, just a little one. I think that'd look really, really nice. So that's another idea in my head right now. Okay, so my thought is now that I have a dash cam wired in to the cigarette lighter in here. So my problem is it's gonna turn off my dash cam for a while, which is a bit shit, but I'll figure something out about that. In the meantime, I am taking the glove box out. That's it for today's video, guys. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the new lights. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any questions, remember, drop them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. And thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. If you enjoy it, make sure to go down and hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, guys, make sure to go down and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. We'll see you on the next one.